guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nissiah, for those of you who do not know me, and if you are new, welcome. Today I'm just going to go ahead and get right into this video. As you can see from the title, I am doing my lashes, individual lashes. I'm basically going to be showing you how I achieve them, what I do, what I use, and yeah, so if you want to see, stay tuned. The lashes that I will be using will be called the Ardell Professionals Double Up. It's not free, and basically I like the double ups because it's pretty much thicker than the regular ones. I'll show you the difference between the two. These are the double up ones. You can tell that it's thicker and, you know, well, thick in general. And I'm going to show you the other ones. You can tell the difference that these are a lot thinner. Personally, I don't really like these ones. That's why I stick with these. But sometimes the thinner ones help to do the insides of your eyes. So if you want to get both packs, or if you want to just go ahead and get the double up packs, it's up to you. Alrighty, so yeah, so you'll need those type of lashes. You'll need tweezers, and then you will need, where'd my glue go? The Ardell Lash Type for individual lashes dark adhesive glue. This is the money maker right here. This is what's going to keep your eyelashes on for the 2 weeks that it should be on, or whatever. Personally, I wouldn't wear it for more than 2 weeks. If you can and you take care of them that well, then you can. But me personally, they just start to get irritating, and that's just my opinion. And I don't really take care of them. That's why I just don't bother to get them done anymore. Spending $100 for them to last 2 weeks, me personally, it's not worth it. So I'll just do them myself. They're a lot cheaper, and yeah, like I barely take care of them like that. So I might as well. I could be able to take them off when I want to, put them on when I want to. I don't have to wait in line and things of that nature. I think it's just better that way. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so I already started putting some of the lashes in or whatever, but I'm going to go ahead and continue to show you. Alrighty guys, so yeah, so the next thing I do after you do the outsides, you start to basically fill them in. And with this, I think I'm just going to go ahead, okay, so like I told you guys, I have the individuals or whatever. There's not that much left, but I just take a small amount. And then I go ahead and apply it somewhere in my eye. Now this honestly gives you like a full, short, long, wispy kind of look or whatever, and I like that. Like I like to have the big extravagant ones and then like the little small ones to just kind of fill it in. That's what I basically use the Ardell ones for. Now I use these to kind of give it that like, dang girl, like the little long, you know. So when you look down, you know, you see kind of like the little, you know, yeah. I don't know how else to explain it. So again, I take because it kind of twisted. Mind you, it still is wet, so you are able to like kind of manipulate it until it dries, because once it dries you cannot move it, you can't turn it, you can't twist it. So you want to try to go ahead and once you put it in there, fix it to where it goes and how you want it to look right then and there. Don't just put it in and then think that you can change it later, because girl, it will not work, I promise you. So I'm gonna do that just like that. Okay, so I'm going to close my eye, look down so you guys can kind of see how it kind of looks and so how it's forming. Now I like it wispy enough to look where it looks natural, but I do like to fill in to where it's just like, wow, like she has long, pretty thick lashes type thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this row right here, and I'm gonna take one straight from there. You can see. Dip that in my glue. Okay. Call me and hang up, why don't you? Alrighty. So there we go. How we gotta go. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep filling it in how I want it, like what kinds of links that I want anywhere. Like I really, like I said before, don't have like a set thing that I do it and how I do it. I just, ooh, I like the way that looks, and then just puts it in. Like, do I want to mimic that, like how I mimic here? Do I want to put it in this way? And also don't forget to try and remember where you put everything and which ones you take up, because when you do the second eye, you want that to look exactly the same. So you could just go ahead and take out girl, this glue finna get on my nerves. These lashes finna get on my nerves. Alrighty, and you just keep filling them in. Keep making it thick to where, however you like it, however you want it, how, you know, it's your design. I can't really be like, oh, do this, do that, because it's how you want it, how your eyes are made, how, whatever kind of lash you like, you know. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to go ahead and go back in with my lashes on this side of my eye. Go ahead and dip my lash in glue. I'm going to just keep continuing to fill it in. Go ahead and take this lash and put it in there. Alright. And then I'll just go through, once I'm pretty much finished and got like my desired look, I just go through and like kind of comb through and like separate any that may be like stuck together, you know, or like, you know, behind one another. I just fix it to its right position. Make sure this is exactly the way I want it, how I want it, and all of that. So I'm gonna add. That's it.